To change lock screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, we need to open the settings. Then we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to wallpaper and style. Then over here you can just go to change wallpapers and you can choose the wallpaper that you wish to set for the lock screen. And so let's say I'm gonna choose something from here, something quickly. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one here. Let's quickly download it and use it. There we go. Now in here, since we want to change the lock screen wallpaper, I assume only the lock screen wallpaper, I'm gonna uncheck the home screen because I don't want it to be affected. Then we're gonna go next, and there we go. You should still be able to make some customizations, but it actually depends on the wallpaper. Usually if you use like custom images or stuff like that, then you can zoom in, zoom out, and reposition the wallpaper. And sometimes at the bottom here you can find some additional options that you can of course use to customize the wallpaper even further. But once you are done, just tap on the done in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.